Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. CEX.io PowerTap. The countdown to exchange listings begins. Fire, get ready, crypto enthusiasts and gamers. The CEX.io PowerTap token is set to hit major cryptocurrency exchanges before December 30th, 2024. Fire. With its innovative play-to-earn mechanics, engaging squad features, and growing community, PowerTap has been making waves in the crypto gaming space. Now, as part of its ambitious roadmap, the game's native token is gearing up for a highly anticipated listing on major exchanges like Bybit, Biget, and Gate.io. Rocket. What is CEX.io PowerTap? CEX.io PowerTap is a next-generation minigame that fuses entertainment with cryptocurrency rewards. Launched on Telegram, it quickly became a viral sensation, attracting thousands of players who enjoy heavy checkmark farming tokens through fun and strategic gameplay. Heavy checkmark completing challenges to earn additional rewards. Heavy checkmark teaming up with friends and family via the squad feature for bonus tokens. Heavy checkmark competing for leaderboard rankings and exclusive in-game perks. The game is designed to be simple yet rewarding, allowing both seasoned crypto users and newcomers to earn tokens effortlessly. As PowerTap evolves, it aims to bridge the gap between gaming and cryptocurrency adoption, making it easier for players to interact with digital assets while having fun. Moneybag. Why is the PowerTap listing a big deal? The upcoming exchange listings mark a major milestone for PowerTap and its community. Here's why this is huge news for players, traders, and crypto enthusiasts. Chart increasing increased liquidity and accessibility. Listing on Bybit, Biget, and Gate.io will make it easier for users to trade, buy, and sell CXP tokens on reliable and well-known platforms. Video game expanding the game's reach. With the token becoming more accessible, more gamers and crypto investors will join the ecosystem, strengthening the PowerTap community. Fire. Boosted token utility and demand. The listing will attract more interest and potential investors, increasing the demand for CXP tokens and their utility within the game. Loudspeaker. Bringing PowerTap into the global crypto spotlight. With a presence on major exchanges, PowerTap will gain more recognition and credibility in the wider blockchain gaming market. Spiral Calendar. PowerTap listing date and where to trade CXP tokens. According to CEX.io's official roadmap, the PowerTap token, CXP, will be listed before December 30th, 2024. While the exact date is yet to be confirmed, what we do know is that CXP will be available on Bybit, Biget, and Gate.io, some of the most reputable exchanges in the industry. These platforms will provide small blue diamond secure trading environments with high liquidity. Small blue diamond multiple trading pairs to ensure easy conversions. Small blue diamond access for global traders and gamers looking to buy and sell CXP. This means more players will be able to trade their in-game earnings, creating a sustainable and rewarding economy within the PowerTap ecosystem. Heavy $PowerTap token price prediction and market expectations. So, how much will CXP tokens be worth once they hit exchanges? Small blue diamond initial listing price expected between 45 to 60 cents per token. Small blue diamond potential price surge based on increased adoption and growing demand. Small blue diamond market-driven fluctuations, with early investors potentially seeing strong gains as PowerTap gains momentum. Given the strong community backing, engaging gameplay mechanics, and upcoming exchange listings, industry analysts predict that PowerTap's token could experience steady growth in the post-listing phase. Loudspeaker. What's next for PowerTap? The exchange listing is just the beginning. CEX.io has big plans for PowerTap, and here's what's in store. White heavy checkmark new game features and expansions. Expect more challenges, rewards, and customization options to keep players engaged. White heavy checkmark strategic partnerships, collaborations with crypto projects, influencers, and gaming platforms to grow PowerTap's ecosystem. White heavy checkmark potential staking and yield opportunities. Players might be able to stake their CXP tokens to earn passive rewards in the future. White heavy checkmark integration with more blockchain ecosystems. Expansion beyond the CEX.io ecosystem, allowing more crypto users to interact with PowerTap tokens. Loudspeaker final thoughts. Why you should pay attention to PowerTap's listing. The CEX.io PowerTap token is set to be one of the most exciting crypto gaming listings of 2024. With its fun and rewarding gameplay, strong community support, and upcoming exchange debut, now is the time to stay informed and get ready to trade CXP tokens. Small blue diamond if you're a gamer. Keep farming those tokens and preparing for the listing. Small blue diamond if you're a crypto investor. Watch for the official listing announcement and market entry points. Small blue diamond if you're a PowerTap fan. Spread the word and be part of this exciting journey. Rocket, stay tuned. PowerTap is about to take the crypto world by storm. Rocket.